Hi, today we're going to be repairing this laptop charger. The cable is broken where it joins the transformer here. So this is the cable coming to the connector which plugs into the laptop. So this is a common problem. The cable gets pulled left and right here, and eventually breaks the cable inside, and the laptop stops charging, or as what's happened here, it's completely come apart. So we have to take this apart. There are no screws on this cover, so we're going to take it apart by giving it a little cut over here, and then with a screwdriver just break the seal around, and then when we finish we're going to glue it back together. Okay, so the idea is we open this up, remove the old cables that are soldered into the circuit board, clean up the cable here, resolder a new connection from this cable into the circuit board. There's no good trying to make a connection here and taping that up. It's just going to break again. Okay, so first off, we're just going to get a hacksaw and make a small cut so that we can get a flat screwdriver in there, so we can gently pry. You don't want to damage it too much. Okay. You just want to cut through the plastic cover. Don't go into the aluminium beneath the cover. Okay. Once you've broken through like that, what you want to do, you want to just get a flat screwdriver, get it in there, and just sort of twist it, and you'll actually hear it crack as it. There you go. So what we basically do is breaking the seal between the top and the bottom cover. Okay, so we're just going to go all the way around, breaking the seal. Okay, so this cover here, it's got a lip that goes around here. You'll be able to put a little bit of contact adhesive afterwards, glue it back together. Okay, worst case scenario, put a little bit of insulation tape around. Okay, so now that we're inside, basically we need to remove the cables. Here's where they connect to the board, so it's quite easy to get to. So we're gonna desolder these two, clean up the cables on the other side, and then reconnect them here. Okay, so let's just remove the solder here. Okay, so basically what we want to do now, we want to join the new cable back to the circuit board. Okay, Okay, so we've soldered in the wires again. If you've got the protector on the old cable, this one was broken, but try and take it off the broken piece of cable and put it back in to help. You might need to drill through it a little bit to make it big enough for the cable to slide through. Alright, so basically we just recover it. Okay, so you're going to run a little bit of glue around the seal as you close it. Okay, leave it in the vise while the glue dries. So let's just plug this in. Okay, so let's just get this let's just measure the voltage here on my voltmeter here. We're looking for 19 volts, and we do have 19 volts. Okay, so that's a repair. Thank you for watching. Remember, there's always a fix.